Hi guys, today I wanted to make a review on this. It's kind of like a parental phone and it has games, so it's like a phone for kids. I have a little baby cousin. I have a 6-year-old one and then I have a 2-year-old one. So this would be perfect for them. And today I'm just going to be showing you what's inside and reviewing it. I just unwrapped it and we're going to see what's inside. This is the box it came in. Okay, so here is like the phone, and we're going to see, here it is. So it comes with a power button and then a volume, so lower and higher. And I'm going to like turn it on and kind of show you how it works. Underneath there is more stuff, so it actually comes for with a case for it, which that's super nice. There we go. Now it's like nice and protected. It comes with some earphones, earbuds, and then last but not least, let's open this. This is the charger, I'm guessing. Yep, it uses a USB-C, which that's nice. And then it comes with a manual and it kind of just explains it. So I'm going to turn it on and show you like what's on it. So I just pressed this button right here, the power button, for 3 seconds and it turned on. So I'm just gonna wait for it to load. So I just turned on the phone. Here are all of the apps. So there's a Spotify for kids, Pandora, Kindle. This is the parent management where you can add passwords and add other stuff. More music, YouTube, Audible, there's settings and Google, and then you just swipe like this and it's just like a normal phone. Calendar, Apple Music, YouTube Kids, calculator, clock, gallery, and then over here is the settings where you can change all the different things. And then if you click the square down here, this is how you take out the tabs, and then I'm pretty sure this is how you go back. Yep, that's how you go back. So it's just like a normal phone. It shows you the battery and then the time, which is nice. And then again, you have the volume. And then to restart, you just hold this for 15 seconds. And then if you just want to turn it off, you just click it. This is what it looks like. And you just do that. And that's how it works. For the app that it was called Parental Control, right here in the manual, it says that applications can be blocked, unblocked, you can install stuff, and enable or disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it's basically just different functions that you could set on this phone, and you do need to enter a password when you open it. So here is the parental app and you enter the password, and so if a kid tries to come and change and like unblock stuff that you guys have blocked, they need a password. So there's just a lot of different stuff and functions on here, which that's like the best part about this phone, because it's very kid friendly and you can limit if you want your kids to have a phone but you don't want them to always be on it or get addicted or stuff like that, just to have it just in case, then this is definitely a great option. So if you're looking for anything in that nature, then I would definitely recommend trying this.